Hello there, guys. Thank you for visiting my video. This is Ryan's Reviews. And today we're going to do a tutorial on how to use vidIQ to boost your YouTube views and rankings. And before I get into this, I just want to remind you guys to click that like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and it's a great way for you to keep up to date with my latest videos where I will give you more useful tutorials. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go over to Google and type in vidIQ. Now you can just type in vidIQ and you should be able to find it, but you can also type in vidIQ extension, because that's what you want to get, is the vidIQ Google extension. And you can scroll down, you can click any of these, and as you can see here, on number 4 we have vidIQ for Chrome, and that's what we want. So you'll click on that, and that will take you to vidIQ, and from there you can sign up for free. You just click Add to Chrome, and it will then appear on your Google Chrome taskbar. If you look at my mouse, my highlighted mouse over here on your upper right, you'll see it says IQ in blue in the corner of my taskbar, and that is the actual app. And if you click on it, forgive me, my internet's a bit slow. When you click on it, a little box will open up like this, where you can log in. Okay, so you will have to sign up and give them your email address and create a password, and then you can log in and log out like that. That's pretty much it for the setup. The app pretty much does all of the work for you. So let's take a look at how it works. Okay, we'll go over here. I've already opened a video here. Okay. I've opened up another video, how to use vidIQ to get more views on YouTube. And I'm going to use this to show you how you can actually use vidIQ to spy on other people's videos, and basically to learn what they're doing to get their ranking. Now this is really cool because this is free. This is a free app. There are paid upgrades, but I did not pay a penny for this. And if you get this for free, it will tell you everything you need to know to rank like your competitors. And I think that's really awesome, because there are a lot of other apps and softwares out there that are selling usually from $30 to $100. They really do the same thing. So let's take a look at this guy's video, and we'll spy on it. So first we see his IQ score is 53 out of 100. This is a score that vidIQ creates based on their own criteria for what they think you should have to rank your videos both in YouTube and in Google. And it's based on a number of things. It's based on views per hour. So you can see this guy has 0 views per hour, but he has a total of 8,544 views. Here it shows the duration of the video. And here it shows the like ratio and also the dislike ratio. And just a quick little point, dislikes for your video are actually good. They're not a bad thing. Any kind of engagement with your video is good in the eyes of YouTube and will help you to rank. So don't get stressed out if some people dislike your videos. That's just only natural, it's only human. And it will help your video. Okay, you can see Facebook likes and how many Facebook likes they're getting. And you can also see other social media scores. So you can see here he has 0 Reddit upvotes and 0 Reddit posts. Now, another cool thing that I really like, and you can also use this for your own videos, guys. So just understand, any video that you open in YouTube, it's going to show you these stats. So it will show you the stats on your competitors' videos, and it will also show the stats on your own video. So it's very useful in also finding any blind spots or steps that you might have missed in optimizing your own video as well. Now, my other favorite here is tweets. You can actually see who tweeted your own videos or who has tweeted your competition's videos, okay? So here we have Brighton West and Violet Storm. They've tweeted this guy's videos, okay? So pretty cool. Now we'll go back to this box, and that will take us to our main statistics. Here we have the number of Facebook followers as well. And I can't remember, there is a way to integrate this with your Facebook, but I'm not going to go over this now because it takes a long time and it's not something I've done a lot of. Okay, so that gives you the general stats. And very useful for your own channel is basically you can actually see who's following you on Twitter, which could be really useful if you wanted to do retargeting in your marketing or any kind of outreach program. If you find somebody who's following your channel and maybe they have a very large following, you could contact them and maybe make out a deal where they'll do shout outs for you for future videos. Okay, so we'll go down here. You can compare your views. This isn't too special in my opinion. YouTube does something similar to this. Okay, now here's my favorite part for two reasons. One, sorry, where are we here? Okay, yeah. This is my favorite part. Here you have an optimization checklist, which you can actually use for your own videos. So you can see this guy, his title is good, he has a description, and he has cards and end screens. Now, a lot of people don't realize that just by putting a card in your video and adding an end screen, you will improve your video's ranking. And so this lets you know to do that. Sharing it on Facebook, sharing it on Twitter, he's done that. It's public, that's obvious. And two other things when you're ranking your video is to have one comment and then to respond to the comment or pin the person's comment or put a heart by their comment. That shows that you're actually engaging with your viewers and your viewers are engaging with you. YouTube likes that as well, and so does Google. Okay. And now we want to find the SEO section. I think I accidentally closed it. Let me go down here and move my page over. And now we'll go back up. Ah, yes, okay. Okay, so the next thing you want to look at as far as SEO goes is you want to look at the tags. So here you can spy on the person's tags. Now just so you know, this isn't always open. So I'm going to close this. This is what it will look like when you access it. So you might not see all of these things on your own when you go to your channel or when you go to your video, okay? But you can open them. So here, here's the SEO window. So you want to pay attention to these little arrows over here. These will open different windows. And here we have an actual SEO score. And this is the most important thing for ranking on Google, is to actually pay attention to this SEO score. If you get over 50, you're doing pretty good. So you want to make sure you have at least over 50. And of course, the higher the better. And you can also look at the number of links. Okay, this is the number of external links the person has. So again, if I'm competing with this person, I see he has 64 external backlinks, okay, and he has a word count of 600 in his description. I'm going to want to get more backlinks than what he has, and I might want to actually increase the number of words I have in my link description so that I can eventually outrank him on Google and in YouTube, okay? I also might want to notice if he's missing anything. So you see, here he's missing a pinned comment and a hearted comment. So on my own video, I might want to get a friend of mine to comment on my video when I first put it up, and then to reply to their comment, and then to pin it and heart it as well. So this is like golden nuggets, and they're giving it to you for free. Now here's my favorite part, tags, okay? You normally can't see another person's tags on YouTube, but if you click here to channel tags, and you go down, oops, there we go. Why is it not showing? Okay, that's a bit annoying. Video tags. There. Video tags. That's what we want to see. Video tags. So you go to video tags, and it shows me all of the tags that my competitor is using. So again, I might want to use the same tags and then find some other tags that he didn't think to rank for and put those in. And then that will allow me to rank for other relevant keywords that people are searching for that he didn't think of or she didn't think of, and then I can easily outrank them that way. More importantly, it allows you to find a way of writing tags that actually works, because many people get it wrong with tags. Many people will use too many tags that aren't directly related to their keyword or to what their video is about, and that can actually confuse Google, and it can confuse YouTube in particular, and can actually hurt your ranking. So you really want to study the tags of people who are ranking very high. So for instance, I don't know if I would copy this guy's tags because he's not the best example of a high ranking video, right? So let's switch very high to get another example. Good example would be, okay, let's go to my video spy review. This is a video that I've actually had a tough time ranking because there are oodles of competition, and video spy is a competitive niche on its own. Okay, and well, you know what, we'll check out the guy in the very top. Who is this? Affiliate Tube. Okay. And let's see how he is ranking. And there we go. All right, sorry, Chris, we're not going to listen to you right now, even though his videos are really well done. Okay, so he has a vidIQ score of 29, which I'm not going to give too much weight to because this is vidIQ's own scoring system. And he gets about 0.2 views per hour, which is really good, especially because this is a review video and he is doing launch jacking, so that's very good. He has 0 Facebook likes, but he has a 99.5 like ratio. Okay, he's been around for a while, so he probably has some actual followers, but a lot of people will also buy likes and things like that. So I wouldn't think too much about this. Nobody's tweeting his stuff, but he does have 40 Twitter followers on his own Twitter account. Okay, so example, if I wanted to outrank him, he doesn't have any Twitter following, so I might want to like blast a bunch of tweets about my video if I was ranking for this as well. Okay, here's his SEO score. Now his SEO score is pretty darn good. He's got a 68.5, which shows that he knows what he's doing. He might even be using this app as well. Okay, it only has 7 distinct links. Okay, which is pretty awesome. Okay, meaning that it's pretty awesome that his video is at the top, even though he doesn't have that many backlinks. Okay, what's this? But here, he has videos lined up. This is probably part of a playlist in his up next videos, so this is helping his ranking. So they recommend that you have 20. He only has 4. Okay. And now let's look at his optimization checklists. So they put an X on his tag, so they say that his tags are too short. Okay, This guy, by the way, he has a lot of videos, so he has a lot of authority just by the sheer fact that he has large numbers of videos already and a well-established channel. Okay, he doesn't have a card, he doesn't have his end screen. Okay, so he's probably not using this app. Okay, so these are things that I would want to make sure that I cover. The only thing is my YouTube channel is very young, so his channel already has more authority than mine. But I could easily outrank him with my backlinks. I could optimize my tags and make them longer and richer than his tags. Okay. He doesn't have any pinned comments. So there's a lot I can do to outrank him. Now, he's ranking number 1 for my video spy review. He's ranking number 3 for just my video spy. He doesn't have very many tags, as you can see, which might actually be a good thing, but they say that he needs to have longer tags. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So this is an example of my competition, and I can see different ways that I could try to outrank him. Okay, so I could write my video spy tutorial, for instance. I could also write my video spy app, and I could outrank him in that way. Okay, so there you go. There's all the information that you have to actually get videos to the top. And well, let's do a little test. Let's look at my video spy scam. Okay. Even though my video has less authority, okay, here's my video, okay, for my video spy scam, because I have that in my tags and this guy doesn't. All right. Now, he's beat the pants off me for my video spy review just from the fact that he has thousands of videos already on his channel and he's well established. Okay. But I was able to outrank him just by spying on his tags and without having to pay for an app. So there you have it. This is how you can use vidIQ to help you spy on your competition. I should add, though, that this app, My Video Spy, which I have done a review video of, does this as well, but it does many other things to let you rank on the first page of Google. So you can get vidIQ, which is free and will give you a very useful and powerful tool to spy on your competition and outrank them. But if you do get My Video Spy by Joshua Zamora, you can do other things. It does allow you to, for instance, target very specific keywords and particularly long tail keywords that your competition is missing. And that is something that vidIQ doesn't do. So if you were to use vidIQ and My Video Spy together, you could outrank your competition that much more easily, and more importantly, get on the first page of Google very easily, because it allows you to find super targeted long tail keywords that your competition is missing. Okay, and not only that, it helps you to find long tail keywords that even though people aren't using them, that there is a search volume for them. So it allows you to actually predict how much traffic you're getting. So check the link in the description. In the link in the description, I'm going to leave a link to vidIQ, which you should get right away because it's free and it will allow you to outrank your competition, as I just proved to you here. But I'll also give you a link in the description below to My Video Spy, because it really is worth checking out, or you can just check out my review video on it. Okay, that's all for now. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this video, and I'll catch you guys later.